fast lane. Alright, y'all, she about to take something to one of my friends on the 20 right here. Just my message for this video, and you know, just consistency. Just focus on being consistent, working on better ways of being consistent, you know, and then whatever your circumstances is, even if you get 5% better, 10% better, you will become better, you know. And I feel like that's the main goal in this life, is to become better, a better person every day, you know? What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Swole Shooter. As you guys can see, I'm back here with another POV drive. Right now I'm running some errands. It is a Thursday afternoon. And we're running some errands right now, as you can see. We got some motorcycle boys behind us. I don't know if I can see them. Hopefully I can right there in my rear view. Guys, ever know about Porterdale? Why they on my ass like that, bro? Boys driving. You gotta know about Porterdale, you have to take your time and drive through the city. The speed limit here is like 25 miles an hour. And if you go anything over that, will get pulled over. So I'm trying to cruise through here right now. These guys on the motorcycle popping that banging right here behind me. Okay, look, we got a kids football game going on over there. Alright, so this is a spot right here. As y'all can see, it's called Chicken Salad Chick. Oh, they do got a drive-thru. Didn't even know that. But either way, I'm gonna go inside and grab some of this food right here. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I come back. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got the Chicken Salad Chick. Let's try it out. They got some good biscuits too. See that? Look at all that. So they got the grapes. I forgot what it's called, but it's called like some kind of salad grape, and all these different chicken salad flavors and stuff. Really good, y'all. I should definitely check it out. If you're in this area or any other locations. So. Right, I'm eating one of these biscuits. One of the things I like to always talk about in my videos is just how just applying yourself to this life, you can change your situation that you're currently in. Yeah, I mean, like, I feel like a lot of young men struggle with just getting to the next level, and sometimes like we put too much pressure on ourselves to get to a level that's sometimes not realistic, you know. We watch a lot of this stuff on social media to where it seems like the next level is to be super rich and living in a super mansion and having a crazy car and et cetera, you know. Like, not everybody can get that lucky, you know what I mean? Like, and a lot of times the stuff that we see on social media is not even real. Sometimes those houses that you're looking at is Airbnbs, and sometimes the cars you're looking at is a rental. So you can't really put too much pressure on yourself thinking that that is the next level. You know, that's not always true. You know, the next level for you could be getting a better job. The next level for you could be getting your own house. You know, like, a lot of times people forget what reality is because of social media. So I like to, in my video, just include, you know, some I wouldn't even call it motivation. I would call it truth. You know, I like to include the truth in my videos to let you guys know that, you know, like, don't believe everything you see. You know, don't put a lot of pressure on yourself thinking that you know, what you see on social media has to happen in your life, and if it don't happen in your life, then you're not doing good enough. You know what I mean? So, but aside from that, just applying yourself to this life, to your own life, to try to get to the next level is super important, right? So, like, I feel like if every day you get up and you do something over and over and over and over and over and over again, you have to get to the next level. You know what I mean? It's inevitable. It's going to happen. You know, but a lot of people struggle with consistency. You know, consistency is what's going to take you to the next level. So sometimes it's not that you're not smart enough and not that you're not good enough. It's just that you don't have the consistency that it requires to get to the next level. You know what I mean? So I feel like if a lot of men, if you guys focus on, even women too, focus on consistency and whatever you're doing, you will reach that next level. You know, even if it's a baby step, your situation, your circumstances, or whatever you're going through will get better. You know, like, if you pray every day, you know, good things are gonna start to come happen. If you work hard every day, you get muscle. You know, if you practice doing a wheelie on a bike, if you practice doing a wheelie on a bike, you know, you're gonna get better at it. My message for this video, and you know, just consistency. Just focus on being consistent, working on better ways of being consistent, you know, and then whatever your circumstances is, even if you get 5% better, 10% better, you will become better, you know. And I feel like that's the main goal in this life, is to become better, a better person every day. You know, if you're not becoming better every day, it's just like life is no fun, you know. Like, but when you watch yourself grow, and you've seen yourself getting better at things, and you've seen yourself striving and going forward, you know, that's what keeping you motivated, you know. So I feel like if you try to do better, become a better person every day, this life will become easier and easier. And also you will figure out the avenues, how, you know, you can make this life easier for you in whatever way that is for you. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think we got you. Just focus on being consistent. Y'all, she about to take something to one of my friends on the 20 right here. Jeez.
In about 9 miles,
Let me hit the fast lane. Out here too, man. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Alright, about to start raining. Y'all, it's crazy, y'all.